Every B2B marketing leader I talk to right now wants to launch a creator program for AI search. And when they say that, they all mean the same thing. Find a few LinkedIn influencers, pay them a retainer, and have them post about the company. But that's only about 20% of what's actually possible with this work. Here's the thing. We need to completely update what creator means in the context of AI search. When you limit creator to influencer we pay, you're cutting off about 80% of the people who could be generating citations for you. Your solutions engineer who solved a problem 200 times, creator. Your customer who's published about evaluating different vendors, creator. Your partner who documented an implementation process, creator. Your community member answering questions on Reddit, creator. We don't quite have language for this yet, but creator is evolving as a term in the AI search context. Let's look at each one in more detail. Type 1, the hired creator. This is what most people think of. An external influencer with their own audience and authority. You partner with them, they post about your brand under their own name, and the data here works. Hired creators get you cited 2.3 times more than non-creator brands. But here's the catch. They're the smallest pool, often the most expensive, and they're probably the least familiar with your product. And if you bury them in approval processes and brand guidelines, you strip out the independence that made them valuable in the first place. That's the mistake. Type 2, employee creator. You probably have this talent on your roster right now. So some people call this employee advocacy, but to me that's really just employees amplifying the company blog or liking the company post on LinkedIn. Employee creator is a very different mentality. It's your VP of engineering writing about an architectural decision, or your project manager sharing their take on a category trend. They're sharing original perspectives under their own names, and the data for this is wild. Employee shared content gets 561% more reach than brand content, and followers don't matter, so creators with under 500 followers get cited at the same rate as larger accounts. The barrier here is activation. You're asking people to do something outside their job description. What works is run a 15-minute interview, help shape what they actually think, and get them to publish under their own names. So you're not asking them to become full-time content marketers, you're just asking them to say what they already think in a public space. And this expertise and authority they build this work is something that they can take with them wherever their professional career leads. Type 3, the customer creator. Probably the most undervalued one. Every customer success team runs customer advocacy, so case studies, testimonials, review sites, but are those customers being fully leveraged for AI visibility efforts? Probably not. What if you helped customers publish their own perspectives on their own platforms? Think about it. A head of marketing writes on LinkedIn about evaluating different tools. A developer answers Stack Overflow questions. This is Customer Creator 101. You can make it easy for customers to do this work too. So suggest angles and provide data, provide resources or templates that speed up the process, reward them for their efforts with swag, conference invites, or other relevant perks that help deepen the bond between the two of you. Type 4, the partner creator. These are your agency partners, consultants, integration partners. They work within your product every day, and they have audiences. They have credibility, they have their own reasons to publish. When a Salesforce consultant writes about the tools that they use, that's a creator signal. Most companies treat partners only as a sales channel, but there's AI citation opportunity here too. Type 5, community creator. These are power users and forums, so Reddit contributors, Stack Overflow answerers, Discord members. These people are already creating original content about your category for free and without permission. They're creators by definition. Get your community people empowered to post info about you that's current, relevant, and helpful. Be a resource to them. They're out here doing the Lord's work. Closing thoughts. Most companies think 2 hired creators equals a creator program, but that is not how AEO works. What matters here is citation surface area. How many independently attributable humans are creating original signals about you or your brand? 2 hired creators? That's a surface area of 2. 2 hired creators plus 5 employee creators plus 3 customer advocates plus 4 partner creators plus community voices? That's a surface area of more than 14 different people. Same budget, maybe less, dramatically more signal coverage.